in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall .NET Framework 4.8 on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and select that. Versus .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Go ahead and uncheck that box. Select yes and then OK and give that a moment. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.